Hello guys, Jill here from Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a watch list with Trading 212. So to do this, basically, it's pretty simple. Head on to Trading 212 app, or you can go and do it in your application in your iOS and Android. And you can also do it here in your laptop or in your desktop. So basically, all you have to do is go to the main page, home page, and then here you will have all the trading platforms available. So all you have to do is basically select one, and then you'll have to place it here in the top right corner that you will have the plus button. So here, the plus button right here, you can actually set it up as your watch list right here. So there you go. But you have to set up your account and verify your identity before you make a watch list, or you can also make a new watch list right here. But that's how basically you make your watch list here in Trading 212 by just pressing the plus button right here or the check button right here. So there you go guys, it's just that simple. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.